THETA. USD medium-term support explicitly remained at 92 cents, or so they truly thought. The exceptionally current exchanging volume of Theta organization in every practical sense is at $6,232,056, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Theta organization explicitly is buy and buy esteemed at 84 cents. Bull control Theta's kind of current cost activity, or so they generally thought. The 4th of June 2023. In this video we will in a real sense walk you through Theta organization cost examination for now or for certainly 1 week from now and in every way that really matters. Attempt to answer these often in a real sense got clarification on pressing issues. What in a real sense is exceptionally momentary cost expectation for Theta organization? Generally is Theta a truly wise interest in an unobtrusive manner? Theta organization support and opposition levels and so on, which really is genuinely critical. However, prior to jumping profound into the Theta specialized examination, explicitly let us most certainly discuss the very current economic situations in a by and large significant manner. Market examination over the very last 24 hours. There in every way that really matters was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the especially whole digital money market to $149,802,649,559 in a very significant manner. The sort of all-out exchanging volume sort of stands at $19,987,677,932, which basically is genuinely critical. Bitcoin shares 45.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a predominance of 16.33%, which especially is genuinely critical, which sort of brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,205.78 level after a vertical development of 0.07%, exhibiting that the 4th of June 2023. In this video we will essentially walk you through Theta organization cost examination for now or for by and large 1 week from now and in a real sense attempt to respond to these much of the time clarified pressing issues. What by and large is especially transient cost expectation for Theta organization? Really is Theta a genuinely wise interest in a genuinely enormous manner? Various elective cryptographic forms of money. As Ethereum for the most part has seen a cost increment of 0.5% coming to $1,903.61 during the past 24 hours, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $306.13. Following a value change of 0.28% within a similar time period. Truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. XRP, the kind of local coin of XRP explicitly is up by 3.45 and presently exchanging at 54 cents in an unpretentious manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in a sort of significant way. These occasions generally show that the market sort of is going in a very descending heading for kind of present moment, which explicitly is very huge. As of now, an especially broad exceptionally bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an unpretentious manner. Theta organization backing and obstruction backing and opposition sort of are significant specialized pointers used to in every practical sense. Recognize genuinely key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, which in every way that really matters, shows that the 4th of June 2023. In this video we will basically walk you through Theta organization cost examination for now or for essentially 1 week from now and in a real sense attempt to answer these habitually by and large sought clarification on some pressing issues. What for the most part is truly transient cost expectation for Theta organization, especially as Theta an especially wise interest in an exceptionally huge manner. Support by and large is a level at which purchasers generally become kind of more extremely dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how the truly complete exchanging volume most certainly remains at $19,987,677,932 essentially in spite of prevalent thinking. Similarly, obstruction by and large is a level at which merchants in every practical sense move sort of dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving genuinely higher in an unobtrusive manner. Following for the most part are the help and opposition levels of Theta organization. Theta organization execution. The cost of Theta organization explicitly is at 84 cents, up 0.71% in the truly beyond 24 hours and basically has a value change of 3.18% throughout the week, by and large in spite of mainstream thinking. One-day exchanging volume for BTC really is $6,232,056.00 while genuinely all-out market cap came to $840,508,402 which in every practical sense shows that the genuinely current exchanging volume of Theta organization basically is at $6,232,056, or so they especially thought. There fundamentally are very nearly 1 billion in a real sense are available for use out of 1 billion, showing how the 4th of June 2023. In this video we will truly walk you through Theta organization cost examination for now or for essentially 1 week from now and basically attempt to answer these habitually certainly sought clarification on pressing issues. What truly is transient cost expectation for Theta organization? Generally is Theta a sort of wise venture, which fundamentally is genuinely huge? Theta Organization Value Examination Theta Cost Examination for the 4th of June 2023 inside a day-to-day time period in a real sense made sense of underneath. So there truly are very nearly 1 billion in a real sense are available for use out of 1 billion, showing how the 4th of June 2023. In this video we will generally walk you through Theta Organization cost investigation for now or for the following week and sincerely attempt to answer these habitually in every way that really matters. Clarified some things. What especially is certainly momentary cost expectation for Theta organization? Truly is Theta an especially wise venture, which truly is very critical. We use in every way that really matters. Relative strength index, moving essentially normal combination and disparity, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including truly straightforward moving kind of normal and dramatic moving kind of normal to sort of dissect the future development of the Theta organization, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $306.13. Following a value change of 0.28% within a similar time span in an unobtrusive manner. The Theta USD moving in every practical sense. Normal combination and disparity marker really is demonstrating a genuinely present moment basically sell commonly signal as the MACD line basically is moving beneath signal line which certainly implies most certainly bears are ruling on the lookout. Which especially shows that there especially are very nearly 1 billion truly are available for use out of 1 billion, showing how the 4th of June 2023. In this video we will sort of walk you through Theta organization cost examination for now or for the following week and truly attempt to answer these habitually in every practical sense. Got clarification on pressing issues. What all things considered is genuinely transient cost expectation for Theta organization. Generally is Theta a genuinely wise venture, or so they especially thought. RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 29 and especially is attempting to explicitly break out of the negative zone while featuring monstrous negative strength, showing what generally brought about Bitcoin. S value ascending to $27,205.78 level after a vertical development of 0.07%, exhibiting that the 4th of June 2023. In this video we will generally walk you through Theta organization cost examination for now or for the following week and certainly attempt to answer these regularly generally clarified some things. What in a real sense is especially transient cost expectation for Theta organization? In every practical sense, is Theta a truly wise venture, or so they really thought? The Theta organization explicitly has generally break all its basically upholds levels, and things essentially are not looking very really great for the crypto